roll up those sleeves because we're in the kitchen and it's time to cook with Chef Mark Anthony. It's such an honor and a privilege to have him in our kitchen. What are we doing today?
Today we're going to be doing some smashing. Chickpea salad, smashing.
Okay.
And I came up with the name smashing because I wanted something that was not completely blended, and you'll see by the texture that it has that smashing type of effect, even though we're using a food processor.
All right. Well, my mum would be proud. She says I break everything. So, yep, I can break these chickpeas for you. Yep.
Okay, here's our ingredient list right here for our smashing chickpea avocado salad. It's got 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas, 1 avocado, a couple stalks of celery, 2 scallions, 1 cup of parsley. I've got a tablespoon of nutritional yeast flakes, and then I've got the juice of a lemon and with a little bit of salt. So it's a really easy ingredients. And everything just goes right in the food processor.
All right, shall I start loading
now? Let me get the avocado going here. And I like the way you do that, right?
Yes, except I had a friend smashed it into her hand somehow.
Oh no. You've seen a lot of these people, they might go like this.
Yes.
I'm always scared to do that because, you know, the knife is kind of pointed right down at your hand. So
at my house, I have one of those scoops and it just goes right through. All the salt?
Yeah, start with half.
Half?
Yeah, I'm not sure. That looks like a lot to me right there. And even the parsley, you know, you can just put in however much you want.
Right.
It's one of those recipes you really can't go wrong with.
But parsley is so rich in antioxidants. It also acts as a diuretic, so you've got a bit of blood pressure or you want to get rid of a bit of extra fluid, have some extra parsley, you know. It's really good little medicine.
Let food be thy medicine.
Yes.
So there's
Old
our
Hippocrates.
And what else do we need?
Some lemon juice.
I love your little lemon squeezer here. I have never seen one like this before.
Really?
It's got the lemon and the lime all in one piece.
Save space in your cupboard, right?
So like this?
Yes.
I do it right, don't I?
Yeah, you do, yeah. Upside down. Someone had to teach me too when I
that's the way I do it.
Oh, okay.
I've seen people do it the other way, but it doesn't get the juice out of it if, if you had that turned around that way. So,
yeah. So that gets it all.
Okay.
Oh, that looks, I tell you, it smells so good with that lemon.
That is everything.
All right,
so you can just,
time for me to go smashing.
But all we're going to do is pulse it. So we're just going to give it pulse, pulse, pulse.
All right, you tell me.
Keep going. You're going to get a... In fact, we're going to give it a little...
Do I need to wipe it down?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
I'm pretty good at doing that, just by habit.
Yep.
About double what you just did, and you'll be there. I'm going to get some tomatoes going here. There you go. That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
I had a smashing time.
Smashing. And there you go. That one can go right in the bowl there.
Oh, it's smushing. It's not smashing.
In fact, if you want to grab me one of those buns over there too, that'd be great.
All right.
I've got a whole bunch of things going on here.
So you're going to show us how to actually use this.
Yeah, there's a number of things.
We don't have to eat it just like this. You know what? I'd want to put this with pasta. Have you ever done that? No?
No, not like a cold pasta?
Yeah, well, yeah, like a pasta salad. No?
I have all these secret recipes, but then I give them to you, and then it's
they're no longer a secret
recipe.
And then you have to rush off and create another secret, right? We like that. Keep doing it.
I say share these recipes with other people.
You know, as you share, back it comes. It just reinforces it, and that's really helpful. So I'm getting in your way.
You can see how much texture this has. It has body to it, so it's not creamed into a mush. It still has body to it, and that's what I'm looking for. And the nice part about this is you're basically making a recipe without all the fat from the mayonnaise. All these people blast with mayonnaise, and I wanted something where I've got a good fat in there.
Yeah.
So just like that, boom, you've got a gorgeous chickpea salad that's healthy and tastes fantastic.
You're right. Fantastic. Thanks, Mark.